So now we will see how to create a course and a category. So by default, in every Moodle instance, you will have one category created. You can create as many as categories you want, but by default, there will be always one category available. This is by default and you cannot delete it. So even if you try to delete all the categories, you will have this one category, category one, always available, because without category you cannot create courses. So let me show you a demo. You go here, you say delete. This category is empty, delete all, can be undone, cannot be undone. I want to delete. It says delete course category one. I say okay, continue. See, category one. So you cannot delete a category because without category you cannot create a course. Now let's say I want to create another category. I don't want to use this category. So as a site admin, what you do, you are on dashboard, you go to site administrator. From here you click on courses or click on the arrow. So when you click on the arrow, it will expand more options. Now you can also click on courses and then it will navigate to another page. Here, let's say manage courses and categories. Here, let's say create a new category. Now, uh, let's say category name, I want to say grade 1. Category ID, if you want to mention, then you can mention, otherwise it's not really needed. If you want to put any description, any image or anything, that you can do. So that I'll show later. As of now, it's not mandatory to add any image or anything. Let's just say create a category. Now I have created a subcategory in a category. Because if you noticed, let's say edit. Here it said parent category, by default category 1. So it created a subcategory. Let's say I don't want it to be a subcategory. I want it to be an independent category. So what I'll do, I'll just delete this one. And I'll say, let's say top. So this will be a main category. Now you see these are two different categories. Now I can delete that one previous category. So it's okay, you can skip this step. You don't have to do this always. All you have to do is just go to create new category. If you want a parent category, then you can select the parent category, like we have this two. If you don't want to select any parent category, you can just say select top and it will be a main category. Now let's say I want to put courses in my grade 1. So what I'll do, I'll select grade 1 category from here. See, if you see this option here, you have to select it. It won't be selected automatically. You need to select it and see on your right side. So the category name will be selected. So when you select a category, that category, corresponding category will be selected on the right side. Now here I say create new course. So when you create a new course, make sure your category is correct. Here, course category. My course full name is, let's say, English grade 1. Short form, I can say NGL, for example. Course visibility, if you want to hide the course as of now, you can do that. If you want to keep it unhidden, you can do that. The choice is yours. To create a course, all you need to do is select all your mandatory fields first. Rest, as of now, will not go into deep. This is just a basic tutorial. We are not learning anything advanced right now, so we'll not go on that. It says course start date, course end date. You can select as you want, whichever date you want. I'll select today's date I started. I can give previous date, I can give future date, as if whatever I want. It's totally up to me. Now you see this, all this, uh, these are mandatory. The one that are marked with red are required. You see this here? Those are required. As of now, I'll just go and say save and return. Now my English course is created. That's it. That's it. I have to do as of now nothing. I created my category. I created my course. I showed you how to delete it. If you have any queries, definitely you can comment and let me know.